Hi, this is Karl with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of my newest brokerage listings. This is a 2021 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. This is a single owner boat with just under 30 hours, powered by 90 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury, white hull with chrome graphics, silver model designator. This is the largest engine you can put on this boat. Also got an optional bimini top, sport bucket seats, upgraded 19-gallon fuel tank, windshield, got a 4-inch Garmin. Here you've got a glove box that's lockable and drained. Split bow rail forward, in addition to low profile grab rails. Beneath this bow cushion is your anchor locker. Boat has just been cleaned. We serviced this spring. It's mostly used in fresh water. On the port side, you've got a cooler box. It's got a removable cushion as well. Very clean, low-hour boat. Great boat for running around Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of my other listings, you can contact me directly at 843-574-8289. You can also email me at karl.anderson@marinemax.com, and that is Karl with a K. This boat is located at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. We're the big yellow building right off the highway. Thanks for watching.